All right, y'all. So I'm about to get ready to plan out my weekly menu for this upcoming week. And the girls will be back this week. They'll be back Wednesday, Tuesday. So I got to do a grocery list. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So I did an Instacart order. Y'all saw previously I was trying to figure out, I did a grocery list and a menu planner for the week. So I start off my weekly menus on a Sunday. So hold up. So the girls come back this week, and on the menu today I had lima beans, neck bones, rice, and cornbread, but I'm probably going to make blueberry muffins. I don't know why y'all guys look a little, I don't know. Anyway, Monday supposed to be leftovers. Tuesday I have quesadillas, but that may switch up to nachos or tacos. It just depends. Taco Tuesday. Wednesday I put down fried chicken, biscuits, rice, and sweet peas. Thursday, I put down Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes, broccoli. Friday, I put chili dog and fries. And Saturday is everybody for themselves. So that's what I have for right now. It may switch up a little bit depending on when I get home from work, how I'm feeling, all that good stuff. So let me just show you what I got. I did the little Instacart from Target. So I got the Oscar Mayer wieners, and I think this little bit of stuff was like, I want to say $46 with the fees, and also my tip. And I got a few little things that wasn't on the grocery list. So I got the Good and Gather ground beef, the 80% lean, 20% fat. I got the girls some Lucky Charms cereal because, like I said, they come back this week. They got orientation Wednesday, so I'm probably going to get them Tuesday. I got some sugar cones. I thought I had put in waffle cones, but maybe I put in sugar cones. And if the sugar cones were not available, to substitute the waffle cones. Got the Idaho mashed potatoes. They only had the large lima beans. I'll eat these, but I prefer the baby limas, but they only had those. Got I thought it was a Terry Coke, but I guess it's a Coke. Got a gallon of milk. And I got the Banquet Salisbury TV dinner. Got some cheese. This is going to go towards either the nachos, the tacos, the quesadillas. Got the broccoli for dinner this week. Right here, I got the sweet peas. I've never tried the Good and Gather steam in a bag sweet peas. I'm always used to the canned sweet peas, but we'll see. Wanted some ice cream, so I got the Market Pantry Neapolitan. Oh Lord, this says light. I hope this is good, y'all. I did not see that on here when it said light. And got some eggs. And last but not least, I got some But now these, man, they look okay. So that is everything that I got from Target. I'm gonna probably do a big grocery haul, probably from Sam's and Publix this upcoming week, right before school starts back, because they go back to school on the 12th. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this stuff up, and I will probably check back in with you guys later. Hey y'all, good morning, happy hump day. So y'all saw yesterday I went to the doctor's with my husband. Everything came out great. He just had a follow-up call. He just had a follow-up visit. So really didn't vlog that much. But now I am getting ready to head out this door. It is 6:25, and I will see you guys at work. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another unboxing. I'm Mary, and in today's video I am bringing you my July Beauty Fix by Derm Store box. So if you wonder what I received in my box, go ahead and stick around. We're gonna go ahead and dive right into July's box. Hopefully it is as good as June's box was. So when I open up the box, there's a sneak peek. It says we're here for... Hey y'all, it's still morning. Good morning. Just coming over here to open up this vlog and say good morning. Hope you have a wonderful day. I need to get in here, y'all. Look at my closet. I need to get some storage for up here. Because I just throw the clothes up there and just leave them. So yeah, I need to go through my closet again and get ready to throw some stuff out because I'm accumulating some more stuff again. Don't pay attention to my hair. I am getting ready to wash it. So yeah, today is just a typical day. Y'all saw previously some behind the scenes of me filming for my unboxing channel. What time is it? It is about 11:50. So I am back here washing. I have my second load of clothes in. So I think I got a total of 4 because I got a little bit of white clothes. These are colors, and I think I'm gonna wash the towels. Y'all, the girls come back tomorrow, or I may get them the next day. I'm not sure. I have enjoyed my peace and quiet. I need to redo that shelf right there. I'm thinking about moving it out into my shed, but I'm not sure. This is getting ready to go. My brother is giving me his freezer, which is, it's not the stand-up kind, it's the other kind, the long kind. So that one is still good. It just it freezes. It just over freezes, and it's like it accumulates ice. And when my granddaughter and her mom come over, they eat the ice. I'm like, really? So I'm gonna give it to her. So yeah, I just ordered me something to eat. Where did I order? It was a toss-up between Chick-fil-A, Chicken Philly. I've got addicted to Wingstop, and Burger King. So I just went on ahead and ordered me a fish sandwich from Burger King. So yeah, my fish sandwich should be here in a little bit. I'm about to find something to watch on TV. And y'all leave me a comment down below, because for my internet service, I have AT&T fiber optics or whatever it's called, and I'm on the verge of canceling them. I guess around Christmas time, I was in Target, and you know how they have the representatives or whatever. So they had a representative out, and I end up getting some cell phones for the girls, and internet service. I think the guy hoodwinked me, because it's like every month my internet service goes up, and I'm like, I thought I had a set price. At least I thought that's how it works, but evidently not, y'all. Evidently not. So yeah, I'm thinking about getting rid of them and going back to Xfinity. I didn't have a problem with Xfinity. It was, I don't know, I just wanted to, at the time the guy was offering a good deal, which I thought it was a good deal, and I just wanted to shop around. So like they say, the grass is not always greener on the other side. That applies in relationships, that applies in products and everything. So yeah, I think I'm going to cancel them because I'm not under contract, and go back to Xfinity. And I think Xfinity have like a special going on right now anyway. So yeah, I'm trying to catch you guys up because I haven't really been vlogging lately. I've had a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, like I said, the girls come back this week. They got 2 weeks before school starts. They have orientation on Wednesday. So yeah, Nani is ready to go back to school. Neri could care less. So I am happy for them. What else? Work is going fine. Life is lifing. So yeah, because I feel like I'm just chatty-patty now, just talking. So let me get ready to get off of here and see where my food is, how long I have. Go check these clothes in the dryer, and I'll probably check back in with you guys later. I don't have to cook because we are having leftover lima beans and neck bones. So yeah, y'all, I don't know if y'all would have seen my previous vlog. Yeah, y'all saw the previous vlog when I did my little Instacart order, and I showed you guys my menu for the week. So, you know, some of the days may switch up, or some of the food may switch up depending on, you know, if I get off work early, if I get off work late, what I got going on after work. But yeah, let me get on off of here, and I'll see you guys later. All right, y'all. So my order has come. Got my drink. Working. So let's see. I like the way they wrap this up. Oh, it smells so good. Got my onion rings. And this is my fish sandwich. It should be, there was no way I could put on there like light tartar sauce, but I did put on there extra with cheese and the lettuce. Yep. No napkins. No napkins. But y'all, I'm gonna get off of here. I know I don't need the soda, but don't tell them, y'all. Don't tell them. But I'm gonna eat real quick, and so I can go ahead and fold up these clothes, put this other load of clothes in the washing machine, and I will see you guys in a bit. All right, y'all. I have still yet to wash my hair, but today is the day that I always clean out my refrigerator. Let me set you guys up, because tomorrow is like trash day. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and clean out the refrigerator so I can go ahead and wash these dishes. Yeah. So I have to go ahead and bring you guys along. I have my white clothes, which is my last load, in the refrigerator, in the washing machine. So it's really not a lot, y'all, because like I said, the girls haven't been here, so it's really not a lot that I gotta clean out in the refrigerator. So yeah, don't think my husband is going to eat this. So just get rid of it. Nah, I'm gonna text him and see if he's gonna eat it. If not, I'm just gonna throw it on away. Well, he's probably not gonna eat it, so yeah. And I need to clean it anyway because I'm getting ready to stock up on this big grocery haul since school get ready to start back and the girls will be home. Alright, so this is the dish detergent that I'm going to be using, with just the Ultra Palmolive Refreshing Aloe and Citrus Scent. And this smells so good, y'all. Oh, it just smells refreshing. Go ahead and let's see. So we got. And sorry, y'all, if y'all can hear my. Sorry if y'all can hear my washing machine going back here, but life is life. You gotta do what you gotta do. right, y'all. Am I in the view? Anyway, I am about to go ahead and roll up these clothes, and in the meantime, I am watching TV. Y'all tell me, do y'all still watch Maury Povich? Because these people on here, I swear, like, how do you know that you've slept with more than one person and you go on nationwide TV and embarrass yourself? I don't get it. I honestly and truly do not get it. But hey, I'm not them, so it's just something I wouldn't do. Like, you go on TV and make a straight fool of yourself. Like, seriously? Like, come on, people. You got to know. You have to, right? But anyway, let's really go on ahead. I just wanted to come in and check in with you guys. I don't know if this will be the end of the vlog or not. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and close out this vlog right here for today. If anything interesting or anything else happens, I'll pick up the camera. But right now, I want to say thank you for watching this vlog, spending the day with me, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.